Hi guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I want to use the rules of derivatives that we have learned in our previous videos and apply it to this example to find the derivative. Yes, of course, this is very easy, but that's I'm doing as a practice to use the different rules of derivatives that we have learned so far. And in order to find the derivative of this function d f of x divided by dx, I can write d over dx into 2x power 8 minus 2x power 5 plus 6 times x plus 1. Now, using the sum rule, I can take the derivative of each term inside these brackets. So that means I can write this in the form d over dx into 2x power 8 minus d over dx into 2x power 5 plus d over dx into 6x plus d over dx of 1. Right? Now, using the constant times variable rule, I can take 2 and 6 out of the derivative. That is, I can write them to the left. And using the constant rule, the derivative of constant, this is constant, so this derivative would go to 0. Therefore, I can further write this as 2 times d over dx into x power 8 minus 2 times d over dx into x power 5 plus 6 times d over dx of x, and this goes to 0, so I don't write 0 there. Now I can use the power rule on each derivative to find the derivative. So I write it 2, and according to power rule, I take the power to the coefficient and would reduce it by 1. So I write this as times 8x 8 power minus 1. Similarly, I repeat the same procedure for the rest 2 terms and write them as 5 minus 1 plus 6. And this would become 1 minus 1 because the power of this is 1. So I take that one over here and it will go like this. Now, doing arithmetics, this gives me 16. 2 times 8 is 16. X power 7 minus 10 x power 4. And this will become 6 and x power 0. So anything raised to power 0 is 1. So I don't write that 0. So this thing is in fact d by df, which for short I write it as s prime f prime of x. This gives me the derivative. So this way we can use the different rules. I first use the sum rule in this step, then I use the constant time variable rules, and here I use the power rule, and summing things up I get the derivative. So this way you can find the derivative of polynomials of this form. Thanks for watching.